You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase in French, but also, it comes from French. It's going to help to understand where it comes from and how it's normally pronounced in English, the English pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing like this, including from French, you found the right channel. Stay tuned. Lese-Majeste is how it's pronounced in French. Lese-Majeste, a crime against a sovereign power. You could say Lese-Majeste. Now, in English, it's more generally pronounced, that's the accepted English pronunciation, Lese-Majesty. Lese-Majesty should be Lese-Majeste. Lese-Majeste is the French pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.